Hello and welcome. This is Chris from AgentiChat, and this is a quick video to show you how to get started with AgentiChat and have your first conversation with you. Here's how the actual product looks. Now, you can have a very nice demo, which is exactly the same. If you go to agentichat.com, click demo, and then you can choose whichever one of these you prefer, but we can recommend you, we're going to show you website demo here. Wait for the chatbot to load. Here we have it. And here's a conversation we can have. So here's where AgentiChat says, hello, how can I help you? Please select your options. So let's say I'm somebody who's looking to sell a house. So I would say I want to sell commercial property. Let's say I have an office building or something, something of that nature. And while this conversation is ongoing, is actually you can see on your website, on your dashboard, you can see the live users you have, and if you go to live chat, you can actually see this particular conversation. So then if it's if the AgentiChat is asking which city is the property located in, let me say something like Toronto, and on the dashboard I can actually see this conversation ongoing. Now if I'd like, I can pause, turn off the chatbot, and I can have the conversation directly with the customer. Here we're gonna evaluate the AI itself. So let's have finish the conversation here. So now it's asking what's the street name. Let's say something like Baker Street. It's going to ask for the apartment number. Let's say 14, zip, postal code. When do you want to sell? Let's say next week, right? So we're very eager. Did you sign an exclusive agreement? Let's say no. It's going to ask for your contact emails. So my name, my email, and my phone number. And once it has all those details, it says, well, thank you for contacting us. Our sales team will get in touch with you. And the actual result on the dashboard is I should see this lead now appearing in my leads table. If I look at the leads today, here I will see my Chris@Gmail, office building in Toronto, Baker Street 14. Here's my postal code. Okay, that's a quick demo of how the website chatbot works and how the main information in the dashboard would look. We know how to deploy on our website. We know how to have a conversation on web chat. Now let's take an in-depth look at the dashboard and then the admin side where you would spend most of your time. Now on the dashboard you can see your main metrics, so most important metrics, things like how many live users you have right now on the website, how many total leads you've generated this month, total visitors, total messages, how many SMS messages you've received, so SMS notifications. In the live chat, as we saw, you can see the conversations that have been happening on the site. You can, if you'd like, you can speak to the customer directly. In the leads section, you can look at your leads from last week, last 30 days, and so on. Here in analytics, this is where you can see your statistics for how many leads you've generated, how many chats you've had, and details of that nature. You can see, let's say, the last month, how well you've been performing. Then if we go into the settings page, this is where a lot of the customization happens. For example, in appearance, you can customize your logo, your name, what's written here in the online status of your bot. You can choose the colors, either from our pre-selected color schemes, or you can pick your own colors. You can choose the position, if you want the chatbot on the left or on the right. You can choose the text theme, you can choose the welcome message, you can choose your time zone, and so on. In the installation we already saw, you can send an email to your developer and you can deploy your own one-line script to your website. Here you can customize Messenger. Also having a one-line script, you can deploy a Messenger on your website. In the integration section, you can integrate with CRM tools like HubSpot, like Follow Up Boss, like LionDesk. There's more to come soon, so these are not the only ones, but these are the ones currently present. In the profile, you can change things like your password. You can change again your profile picture. You can change your login email and so on. In the notifications section, you can pick which email notifications are going out to. You can pick what triggers you have for those emails. Let's say you want to receive an email whenever a new lead is generated, whenever there's a chat that has more than 5 messages or a brand new visitor. You could receive an email when the chatbot doesn't know what to answer, so when it's not certain about a certain answer. And the same thing for text notifications or SMS. You can specify a number and then specify the triggers when to receive an SMS. The SMS and email also includes an instant login link, so you can go straight to that live chat instance to see the conversation. In the subscriptions, you can choose to upgrade your plan or add SMS if you'd like. In the invoices, you will see your pending invoices or your paid invoices for accounting purposes. And in support, you can send us a short message or get in touch with us directly. That's the short demo. We are happy to give a more in-depth demo. Please book that with one of our representatives.